If you're listening to this, you're probably a small business owner or maybe an Acumatica consultant, and you know that upgrading software can be a real pain sometimes.
Yeah, it's exciting to get those new features, but sometimes things just break.
Like workflows. Those are crucial, right? Imagine upgrading Acumatica and suddenly your workflows just stop working.
Total nightmare. Talk about disruptions and delays.
No one wants that. So today, we're diving deep into this problem.
And the good news is we have a solution for you.
We're joined by Deba, an associate functional consultant at Tayana Solutions. She's been in the ERP world for over 3 years, specializing in Acumatica.
Seriously impressive experience. I hear she's tapped into over 200 different Acumatica scenarios, reports, inquiries, you name it. She even does Power BI.
Exactly. She's the perfect person to talk about this. Deba, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me.
So let's get right into it. You were upgrading Acumatica from version 2020 to 224 R1 and hit a snag, right? What happened?
Yeah, so I was working on this upgrade and everything seemed fine until I tried to publish the workflow package.
Uh-oh, workflow package. That sounds important.
It is. It basically contains all the customized workflows within Acumatica. It's like a blueprint for all your automated processes.
Guys, what happened with the package?
I got this error message. It said, region of the predefined workflow and the customization project is not equal to the current version.
Oh, so the older workflow version wasn't compatible with the new Acumatica version.
Exactly.
Okay, so what did you do? How did you fix it?
It was actually pretty simple, but I can see how it could be confusing if you haven't seen it before. I had to upgrade the package itself.
Upgrade the package. How do you do that?
It's all within Acumatica, actually. You expand the relevant screen within the package, go to the workflow section, and there's this upgrade button.
Right there in the warning message, right?
Yep. Click that, refresh the screen, and the warning's gone. Upgrade proceeds smoothly.
That's great. It sounds so easy when you explain it.
It is once you know what to do.
Yeah.
But it can definitely be frustrating when you're in the middle of an upgrade and something like this happens.
And that's why it's so important to have experts like you on hand.
Definitely. And that's where Tayana Solutions comes in. They're experts in Acumatica. They can help with implementations, customizations, support, the whole 9 yards.
They can help businesses avoid those upgrade headaches.
Absolutely. Whether it's troubleshooting issues, customizing your system, or just providing ongoing support.
They've got you covered.
Excellent.
So if you're dealing with any Acumatica challenges, big or small, give Tayana Solutions a call. Their number is 678-910-2774.
They're ready to help you get the most out of Acumatica.
And for all our listeners out there, remember, a little proactive planning and the right support can make all the difference.
It's true. Don't wait for problems to hit you. Get ahead of them.
Keep your business running smoothly.
And your software upgrades stress-free.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.